Differentiation, Part 3.
Hi everyone. For this session we will discuss few formulas in differentiation. See here, first one, d by dx of constant. So already we discussed this. You know the derivative of constant is what? 0. Next, second one, d by dx of e power x. This is also e power x. Next one, d by dx of log x. So already proved this by using first principle. That is, derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Next, fourth one, d by dx of 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x. This is minus 1 by x square. Next, fifth one, d by dx of x to the power of n. This is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Next, sixth one, d by dx of x is equals to 1. Okay. Next, d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Next, eighth one, d by dx of cos x. This is what? Minus sin x. Okay. Next, ninth one, d by dx of tan x. That is sec square x. Next, d by dx of cot x. That is minus cosec square x. Next, d by dx of cosecant x. This is minus cosec x cot x. Next, last one, d by dx of sec x. This is sec x into tan x. So these are the few formulas in differentiation. Now, all these formulas you can prove by using the first principle. So from the first principle you will get the derivative of these all things. Okay. See here. So for example, d by dx of e power f of x. You need to find the derivative of e power f of x. So clear it in the form of e power x. So what is derivative of e power x? E power x only. So write e power f of x. But in place of x, f of x is there. So again we have to derivative that function. So some change is there. So we have to derivative that f of x. So this is what? E power f of x into derivative of f of x and dash of x. So this is the derivative of e power f of x. So for example, d by dx of 1 by f of x. Okay. So clear it in the form of 1 by x. How to write? Minus 1 by x square. So this is minus 1 by x is what? F of x whole square. But in place of x, f of x is there. So again we have to derivative of that change function. So therefore that is called internal derivative of f of x. Okay. So for example, d by dx of sin 2x. Okay. See here, you know the derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. But in place of x, 2x is there. So again we have to derivative the 2x. So first derivative of sin x is what? Cos x into again derivative of 2x. That is called internal derivative. Now this is cos 2x into 2 right outside of the differentiation. So here 2 into x, so that is constant into algebraic term. But here derivative of only constant term is 0. Here product of constant and algebraic term. So in that case we have to write 2 outside of the differentiation. So 2 into d by dx of x. So clearly d by dx of x is 1. So therefore this is 2 cos 2x. Okay. So these are the few formulas in differentiation. Now we will discuss few 2 marks problems. See the first one. Find the derivative of the following functions f of x. So first, f of x is equals to what? E power x plus sin x cos x. Now find the derivative of the following function. We need to find derivative. So for that, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That is d by dx of f of x. So here differentiate with respect to x. So that's why write d by dx. For example, differentiate with respect to y. You should write d by dy. Okay, like that you can write. Now d by dx of e power x plus sin x cos x. Now this can be written as, what is derivative of f of x? F dash of x. Now this is d by dx of first function e power x plus d by dx of second function d by dx of sin x cos x. Here multiply and divide with 2. So because of we have formula for 2 sin x cos x. Now this is, what is derivative of e power x? E power x only. So this 1 by 2 is constant right outside of the differentiation. 1 by 2 into d by dx of 2 sin x cos x. That is what? Sin 2x. So here you know that d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. So but in place of x, some change is there. So again we have to do internal derivative. So that is e power x plus 1 by 2 into derivative of sin x is cos x. So simply write cos 2x. Again internal derivative of 2x. This is e power x plus cos 2x by 2. 2 right outside of the differentiation. 2 into d by dx of x. So derivative of x is what? 1. So here 2 get cancelled. So we will get e power x plus cos 2x. So this is the derivative of the given function. Now see the second one. F of x is equals to 5 power x plus log x plus x cube e power x. Again find the derivative of this function. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So clear, this is d by dx of f of x is equals to, so derivative of each function. So because of sum of 3 functions are there. So derivative of this is derivative of 5 power x plus derivative of log x plus derivative of x cube e power x. So write directly d by dx of 5 power x plus d by dx of log x plus d by dx of x cube e power x. See here, you know that d by dx of a power x log a. Okay. Now this can be written as f dash of x is equals to derivative of 5 power x. In place of a constant 5 is there. So this can be written as 5 power x log 5 plus derivative of log x. So you know that is 1 by x. So clear it in the form of product of two functions. This is u and this is v. So you know the derivative of uv. So u into derivative of second function plus v into derivative of first function. So here that is x cube into plus x cube into derivative of second function plus second function into e power x into derivative of first function. So this is what 5 power x log 5 plus 1 by x plus x cube. Derivative of e power x is e power x plus e power x into derivative of x power 3. So here you know that d by dx of x to the power of n formula is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So in place of n, 3 is there. So this can be written as 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is the derivative of the given function. So see the question number 3. F of x is equals to what? Log of log x to the base 7. See here you know that d by dx of log x, that is what? 1 by x. So base is e, but here base is 7. So first we have to convert into this one, that is we have to apply log a base b form, that is log a by log b. So here this can be written as log of log x divided by what? Log 7. So this is f of x. So clearly your base is what? E. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That is d by dx of f of x, and this is d by dx of log x divided by log 7. So here 1 by log 7 is constant, right outside of the differentiation. 1 by log 7 into derivative of log x. So it is in the form of log x. So what is the derivative? 1 by x. So in place of x, log x is there. That is derivative of log x is 1 by log x. Again internal derivative of log x, that is d by dx of log x. So this is 1 by log 7 into log x, derivative of log x, 1 by x. So this is the derivative of the given function. See next one, ax plus b by cx plus d. Find the derivative of the function. See here question number 4. So first f of x is equals to what? Ax plus b by cx plus d. So it in the form of u by v. So you know that d by dx of u by v form. That is what? V into derivative of numerator. That is u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So this is the derivative of u by v. So clear u is equals to numerator and v is equals to denominator. Now see here. So f dash x, derivative of f of x is f dash x. So do direct differentiation. So v into u dash. What is v here? Cx plus d. So cx plus d into d by dx of numerator, that is ax plus b, minus u into, u is what? Ax plus b into d by dx of v, that is denominator, cx plus d, divided by v square, that is cx plus d whole square. Now this is cx plus d into, so derivative of ax plus b. So first d by dx of ax, next d by dx of b minus ax plus b into d by dx of what? Cx plus d by dx of d divided by cx plus d whole square. Now this is cx plus d into, see here a is constant right outside of the differentiation, a into d by dx of x is 1 plus derivative of constant 0 minus ax plus b into, see right outside of the differentiation, d by dx of x value is 1 plus derivative of constant 0 divided by cx plus d whole square. Now multiplying inside, a into cx, so this is acx plus ab minus c into ax, again acx, next minus bc divided by cx plus d whole square, plus acx minus acx both are get cancelled, so this is equals to ad minus bc by what? Cx plus d whole square. So this is the derivative of the given function. See the question number 5. F of x is given, then find f dash x. Given f of x is equals to what? 7 power x cube plus 3x. Okay. Now differentiate on both sides. That is d by dx of f of x is equals to d by dx of 7 power x cube plus 3x. Now see here base is 7, that is constant, and power is what? Algebraic term. We have only one formula, that is d by dx of a power x. Base is constant, power is what? Algebraic term. So therefore it in the form of a power x. Derivative of a power x is what? A power x log a. Here a is equal to 7, x is equal to x cube plus 3x. So this is a power x, that is 7 power x cube plus 3x. But in place of x, x cube plus 3x is there. Again we have to differentiate this one. That is internal derivative of x cube plus 3x. So into what? Log a. So what is that? Log 7. Now this is 7 power x cube plus 3x. So here you know that d by dx of x to the power of n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So here in place of n 3 is there. This can be written as 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 3 into d by dx of x, that value is 1, into log 7. So this can be written as, so first write this one. Here 3 is common. 3 into x square plus 1 into 7 power x cube plus 3x into log 7. So this is the required answer. So see the sixth one. F of x is given, then find f dash of x. See here given f of x is equal to x into e power x into sin x. Here product of three functions. See here you know that d by dx of u v w. Okay. See here this formula is what? U dash into v w plus u into v dash w plus u v w dash. Okay. Now clearly here u is equal to x, v is equal to e power x, and w is equal to what? Sin x. So derivative of x, that is u dash, that is d by dx of x. Next v dash, that is d by dx of e power x. Next w dash, that is d by dx of sin x. So d by dx of x is 1. D by dx of e power x is e power x. Next w dash, derivative of sin x, cos x. Now substitute here. So therefore d by dx of x e power x sin x is what? U dash. What is that? 1 into vw, v into w, e power x sin x, plus u into v dash, x into v dash is e power x into w sin x, plus uv x e power x into w dash, that is cos x. Okay. In all terms e power x is common. You will get sin x plus x sin x plus x cos x. This is the derivative of the given function. See our next seventh one. F of x is given, then find f dash of x. See here given, what is f of x? X cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power of 100. See here power is constant and base is algebraic term. So clearly it is in the form of what? Derivative of x power n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So what is n here? 100. So this is equals to, so clear this is what? F dash of x is equals to d by dx of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power of 100. How to write? N into x power n minus 1. What is n value? 100 into x. What is x value? This is the x value. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power of n minus 1. What is n value? 100 minus 1. But in place of x, x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13. So some change is there. So we have to do internal derivative. That is d by dx of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13. So this is what? 100 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power of 99. See here, first one, d by dx of x cube. So 6x square, derivative of 6x square write as 6 into d by dx of x square plus 12x. This can be written as 12 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of 13. See here, this is 100 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole to the power of 99. See here, you know that derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. X cube is there. This is 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 6 into derivative of x square, that is 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 12 into derivative of x, 1, derivative constant to 0. So this is the required answer. See your next question number 8. See here f of x is what? 1 plus x square and so on x to the power of 100. Then find out f dash x. Again we have to do derivative. See here, this is d by dx of f of x. This is d by dx of 1 plus x square and so on x to the power of 100. So this is first one, d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of x plus d by dx of x square and so on d by dx of x to the power of 100. See here, these all are based on d by dx of x power n form, that is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of constant 0, derivative of x1, derivative of x square 2x and so on, derivative of x power 100 into x power 100 minus 1, that is 99. So this is what f dash of x. But you need to find f dash of y. See here, replace x by what? 1. This is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 100. So sum of the 100 natural numbers. This can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 250. So this is 50 into 1 not 1. So this is equals to 5050. This is the required answer. So see the question number 9. F of x is given and prove that f dash of 0 plus 3 f dash of minus 1 equals to 0. See here given f of x is equals to what? 2x square plus 3x minus 1. See here, first find derivative of given function, that is d by dx of f of x is equals to d by dx of 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So this is 2 into derivative of 2x square, write as 2 into d by dx of x square, derivative of 3x, write as 3 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of 5. So this is 2 into derivative of x power n form, that is n into x to the power of 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 3 into derivative of x 1, derivative constant 0. So therefore f dash of x is what? Okay. 2 into 2x, that is 4x plus 3. Next find f dash of 0. What is f dash of 0? 4 into 0 plus 3. This is 3. Next find f dash of minus 1. That is 4 into minus 1 plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3. It is minus 1. So therefore f dash of 0 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1. What is f dash of 0 value? 3 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1 value? Minus 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is the required answer. So try to solve these questions. For next session we will discuss more concept.